Good morning, everyone. We are here today to convert a PNG file to an ICO file. Now, you may call it something else, but for today, I'm calling it an ICO file. Now, all you have to do is go to this website right here, freeconvert.com, and it's as simple as it possibly can be. This is a web-based program, so there's no software you have to install, and it'll work with Windows or Mac or even your mobile devices. Now, I'm going to put a link here to this exact page in the video description below so you can find it real easy. Anyway, start by clicking on the PNG, choose PNG files. You click that, and it'll prompt you to upload your PNG file, which is going to be right here. And so I click that. And you can also drag and drop multiple files here for batch conversions. Just go ahead, load your PNG file like I just did. Now, as you can see, the file has already uploaded, and it's done. It's a small file. It converts automatically, and once the file is converted, it'll change to this done status that I'm highlighting right here. You can download individual files, like I said, or you can do batch files. All you have to do is this button right here, download all, and it'll zip them right up for you. It's just that easy. Now, if you want this on your desktop, of course, or your hard drive, you just click that, click download ICO, and it goes right to your hard drive. So that's all there is to it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified on simple tech help videos like these. And that's it. Thanks for watching.